Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to decide between OpenClaw and NanoClaw in 2026, this quick comparison will help you understand which AI agent platform actually fits your needs. So first of all, OpenClaw is designed as a full-featured autonomous AI agent platform with broad integrations, advanced skills and support for multiple models and messaging systems. It is built for people who want maximum flexibility, business automations, and powerful workflows. NanoClaw takes a more lightweight security first approach. It focuses on simplicity, lower resource usage, and containerized task isolation that makes it safer and easier for the smaller deployments and individual users. So here, if we just talk about the pricing of both of these, so OpenClaw itself is an open source, but real world costs can rise quickly due to API usage, infrastructure, and advanced integrations. For many active users, the monthly cost can range from $300 to $750 plus, depending on the automation scale. NanoClaw is far cheaper for most of the users, often running between $5 to $50 per month when self-hosted, making it far more budget-friendly for personal or the startup usage. So if we talk about the parameter of security and ease of use, so this is where NanoClaw stands out. Its door-locked based container system create stronger operating system level isolation, reducing risks significantly. OpenClaw is going to offer you more power, but with that comes more complexity, larger attack surfaces, and greater configuration responsibilities. So the real question here is which one should you choose? So you can go with OpenClaw if you need enterprise grade features, if you want broad integrations, if you require advanced AI workflows, and if you can manage higher costs and complexity. You can choose NanoClaw if you want lower costs, if you prioritize security, if you need simple deployment, and if you are an individual developer or a small team. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.